Before using the tool, enter the settings menu one of two ways. Press the circular settings button on the side of the crimper within the black label, or press and hold the trigger button for 3 seconds. The tool will be locked while in the settings menu. The trigger button is then used as the selection button for the various menu items. The reset option has various levels of resetting the tool. Reset home. Excessive use can cause the settings to drift. If you have a preferred setting of 52 for your crimping and start to notice they are not sealed as well and feel more like a 50 or 51, a reset home will return your 52 setting to a true 52. All login statistics will remain. Reset all. Return settings to factory default. Typically a crimp decap setting of 50 with language back to English. All log statistics will remain. For more information and helpful videos, visit our secure website at www.cromres.com.